Make a great choice today with the 2018 Charger. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, driver vanity mirror, leather shift knob, tilt steering wheel, overhead console, panic alarm. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.